recipe is Palak Rice. Hi, I'm Mukta Nagaraj. Welcome to SBL Kitchen. This is a lunchbox recipe for mothers and a complete meal recipe for students who stay abroad and yet can have their Indian meal. So here I'm using just one pot to make the rice. This will be simple as the students abroad can get the frozen palak, it is spinach. They can use the baby spinach, the whole leaf can be used or they can chop it. I have few other ingredients which is easily available for them in any country. So it's a simple easy recipe. Let's begin. Switch on the pan of the pressure cooker. I'm taking a quarter cup of oil. I'm going to add in some butter. Here, if you have clarified butter, that is ghee, you can add that, or a regular butter should be very fine. Since the oil is there, butter will not burn. When it starts melting, I'm going to add in the bay leaf, a piece of cinnamon, a clove, a Kapok bud, and when you get the aroma, you can add in the chopped onions, add garlic. When this becomes little translucent, then you can add in the peas. Now I'm adding the finely chopped palak, the spinach. Here you can use the spinach whole also. Now I'm adding in the rice which I've washed and kept. Now I'm going to add in the water. Here I am using 1/3/4 cup. I'm going to use the rasam powder here. If you don't have the rasam powder, you can use the regular chili powder, preferably the rasam powder, and salt to taste. But for the 3/4 cup, I'm using 3/4 spoon of salt. If you like to make it more spicy, you can add more chili powder to it. With this recipe, you can even do the same with few methi leaves or with some amaranth. Procedure is the same. The ingredient would change, the taste definitely would matter. When it starts boiling, cover the lid. I'm going to put the pressure, wait. I will allow this for 1 whistle and open it when it is completely cool. Now this is completely cool. Now with the help of a fork, I would just loosen the rice. Then the rice won't become mushy. And I'm so tempted to taste this. Good. I'm going to have this with some set curds with palak rice.